Hello, I'm Jane Aherne and I'm a nutritionist at IVF Matters. This video deals with testosterone, and in particular low testosterone in men who are wanting to increase their fertility. So as a nutritionist, if someone comes to me and they're concerned about their testosterone levels and want to increase them, first thing I would look at are possible vitamin or mineral deficiencies. So the ones in particular I would look at are zinc and magnesium, and then also vitamin D. So deficiencies in these micronutrients can lead to low testosterone, and the first point of call would to make sure that you've got optimum levels of these in the body. And I would do that both probably through supplementation. It's quite easy to take a multivitamin and multimineral, but also making sure the foods you consume are high in zinc and magnesium. Vitamin D is a little bit more difficult. We get that from the sun, but even sun exposure. But probably the best way to do that would be a daily supplement of vitamin D. Another factor I would look at is estrogen, or possible high estrogen levels in men. So nutritionally, what I would do would be limit the amount of foods that contain growth hormones in the diet. These would be dairy products, meat. You wouldn't have to eliminate meat, but maybe the type. So going for grass-fed rather than just sort of any meat out there, and eggs. So go for organic eggs. That would all be the sort of simple ways we could manage testosterone. Other factors to consider though are other lifestyle choices we make. So how much alcohol we consume, whether or not you smoke. These are definitely factors that as a nutritionist I have to consider in order to increase your fertility as a man. Also body composition. So if you're carrying a lot of excess fat mass or weight around the abdomen, and have a BMI over 25, then we would have to look at calorie deficit and maybe just getting your body in good physical shape, and all your sort of physiological mechanisms and internal body workings are optimum, working really well. You're in good health, fit and strong, with nice balanced hormones and good healthy gut, and I mean the gut inside our bodies, but a healthy weight, healthy gut, and just overall healthy, beneficial lifestyle in preparation for fatherhood. If this sounds like something you've been concerned about, or if you want to be, supportive with your partner going through IVF treatment and making sure that you're in the best health you can possibly be, then I recommend you get in touch. And if there's any other information I can give you, I'm happy to do that, or have a consultation with you alone or together with your partner. We can certainly do that to make sure that you're doing absolutely everything you can to have a healthy, safe IVF treatment and increase your fertility and chances of conception. Thank you.